Hello everybody, this is my automatic step. Cut a cardboard into 4 pieces. Choose 2 pieces of cardboard, then draw a cross and poke a hole at the middle. Use a wooden chopstick to check whether the cardboard holes are at the middle. Use hot glue to combine them. Use other cardboard to cut out 3 circles. Poke a hole on 2 circles. Put the 3rd circle aside. Use the last cardboard and poke a hole at the middle of it. Put a straw into a hole. Use another wooden straw to combine. As the project is already in school, I will tell you my steps with words and drawings. Draw a man at the cardboard. Color it. Then cut the man along the dotted line. Stick it on a chopstick. Put the straw with 2 circles. Stick the circles together. Stick them together and try the product. Is it okay? I think paste some hot glue is more safer. Finish by Jessica3.